In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out and control video speed in Canva. When you're editing in Canva, being able to zoom in and out on your design and adjust the speed of your video clips can make your workflow much smoother. So let's walk through how to do both in a simple, clear way. First, let's talk about zooming in and out. While you're working on your design or video project in Canva, you'll often want a closer look at specific details, or you might want to zoom out to see the full layout. An easy way to do this is directly from your keyboard. On your keyboard, hold down the Control key. While you're holding it, press the plus sign to zoom in. Each time you tap the plus key, Canva will zoom in a bit more, letting you see your content up close and work on finer details. This is especially useful when you're aligning text, adjusting small elements, or checking that everything looks sharp. To zoom back out, keep holding the Control key and press the minus sign on your keyboard. Every tap on the minus key will gradually zoom you out, giving you a wider view of your page or video timeline. This is great when you want to review the overall composition, spacing, or flow of your project. If you ever zoom too far in or out, don't worry. Just repeat the same shortcuts until you find the zoom level that feels comfortable. You can quickly adjust it as you work, so you're never stuck at one zoom level. Now let's move on to controlling video speed in Canva. When you're editing a video, sometimes you want a clip to play more slowly to emphasize a moment, or a bit faster to keep the pacing interesting. Canva makes this easy. Select the video clip you want to adjust on your design or timeline. Once it's selected, look for the option labeled Speed. Click on Speed to open the speed controls for that clip. From here, you can manage how fast or slow the video plays. Drag the control or choose the speed setting you prefer. Slower speeds will stretch out the clip, making movements more gradual, while faster speeds will shorten the clip and make the action feel more energetic. Take a moment to play back your video after adjusting the speed and fine-tune it until the motion and timing feel just right for your project.